Okay, check one, check one. This is December 3rd, and it's not what you trade, it's how you trade. We do this in real time every time. Today we were looking at Ardx. We had to enter the position fairly quickly. We've been doing fairly well on this for buying fairly early. We got the fairly early, buy the dip kind of thing. This ticker seems to be working well for me. Buy the ticker, buy the dip here. ARDX, there's our entry at, and again, it's clearing our lines, right? We had a line there at $1.61. Just gonna stop here for a second. Okay, yeah, so that was just a bit of a test there, and this will be our second crack at it, audio-wise. Yeah, I've got, so the playback may not be perfect here. I'll start it. Let's see if I can get it going. I had some really good pearls of wisdom there on that first one too. This is because it all happens in the moment, right? When you're in the moment, that's when you're actually, that's what it's for me anyway. It's for me because I like to, where I was in the moment, right? Like that's more important than anything. It's your trading mindset, your trading attitude, the way that you execute is one of the least discussed topic in the entire industry. It's how to actually how to make money here, and it's not finding stocks, and it's not have an opinion of where the SPY is going to be and where we're going to find the bottom, and that's it's actually how to pull the trigger on it and take money. So yeah, I'll give it a crack here and see if we can get the audio to line up with the video. So anyway, we took this trade a little bit earlier. Here's the big picture. Here's the big picture of ARDX. We've taken quite a few trades here. We entered this one here pretty slick at the break there. It was pretty much right at VWAP, right? Now we're also at the same time we were trying to see if Lgvn we would land a trade there. If you notice here in the morning, we actually gave one back, right? I think it was like I double check 100 and some odd. Pause it all and check right now. I'll check right now for you because I don't think I put that in the other video. The loss that we had this morning on Lgvn, and you'll see it's right in there where the it was a simple, and again it's my fault. It's the stops too tight. Yeah, sorry. So that was $149 loss earlier in the day there. So I'm going to push play here and keep this thing rolling again. Yeah, and then we entered it again because it was hanging around the VWAP there really tightly, right? So the risk was the same. Like, see how the risk? I think I loosened the risk there on that second go, right? See how that's still a pretty good. We were at 24 and our risk is $23. So that percentage within 5%, right? Went up, came all the way up. It touched our target, touched the target. Didn't fill. A liquidity problem there. It didn't fill. So we moved the stop up to prevent any loss of profits. And that's exactly what we did. And pretty sure it stops us out here pretty quickly. Yeah, there it is. There's the stop out, and then yeah, there's the stop out. So, no, it didn't stop. There's the stop out. Sorry. So there's the stop out. $144 win. So that actually just kind of squashes out the original loss. So Lgvn was a complete scratch today. I thought we actually made some money there. But the real story for the day was the ARDX. And the way we didn't take it last time, the money off at the top, I wasn't going to let that happen again. By the looks of it too, in hindsight, where I'm watching this, we probably should have taken some off there on that first jump. But long story short, you wouldn't. Yeah, I didn't want to get kicked out of it either. And we didn't take off profit there, right? So right there, you see me, I moved it up to the stop. It's a higher value there, right? Because this isn't a game, right? Like you gotta take profits out of it, and that's the main part of this whole job is taking one of the hardest parts is taking profits out of this, taking profits out of the money, out of the markets. To do it effectively, you need to do it and set targets. Without these targets, chasing the stop is one thing, but I mean, we set our target a little bit low of our line on this one. The line, I think, is at $1.96 or something. Hold on and I'll check. Hold on, I'll check for you. Just a sec. Yeah, so the target line is at $1.93. So I saw it. I thought, well, let's just put our target there at 191. And there I was there tightening up the stop again, making sure that we don't, like, we're way too close to the 193, 191, 189, 180, whatever. We're close enough. There's the sell that was about 18% profit. It was a tremendously good move. And the way we took it off was pretty good too. So there you go, $806 profit in a relatively short amount of time there too. It was maybe 30 minutes. 30-minute move. Everything looks good, right? Always in the trade on the high side of the trade, like the always on the high side of the trade. Now we ask ourselves, did you do the right thing? Like I always do. It's all in the mindset of what, there it is there, the power drop. So we did the main thing. This one here, I believe, is Lgvn. Oops, yeah, Lgvn there. That looks like we made the right decision there. We just slightly missed it by catching that stop on the way down instead of taking our target at the top. Is that still working? So anyway, like, share, subscribe. I don't know what this is going to be, what it's going to turn out like at the end of it all, but that was a pretty good day. $800 win. I like to say it in percentages. That was probably like a 17% win. We made the right choice at the right place, because it's not what you trade, it's how you trade. That's how you get the high fives for everyone. Don't forget, we do this in real time every time. Hopefully this video worked out. There's another 2 or some odd minutes of this. Yeah, there it is there. There's another minute and so I just kept chabbling on about something, but I don't have to do that this time. Hopefully this will work out.